touches a heart. A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Mrs. Champa Bhattacharjee, take this opportunity to welcome Mrs. Garima Dahima, our resource person for today's webinar. I am really pleased to extend a cordial welcome to our distinguished members of management, our chairperson, Mrs. Padmini Khajanchi, Managing Trustee, Dr. Vijayalakshmi Iyengar, Treasurer Trustee, Mr. K. Giridharan, Trustees, Mr. Karthik Shastri and Mr. K. P. Rajan, Secretary to Trust, Mr. S. M. Iyer, Honorable SMC conveners and members of all three branches, Principal Sikka 54, Dr. Madhukar Pawar, Principal Sikka 78, Mr. S. L. Goria, Principal Nipania, Mrs. Suja Matthew, all VPs, headmistresses, assistant headmistresses, and all my dear teachers. How phenomenal is this day? You will witness an educational webinar on the topic Early Years Teaching and Learning, the shift from offline to online. It is mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of any important event. Ma Saraswati is the mother of Vedas. She has endowed human beings the power of speech and learning wisdom. Now, I invite Mrs. Smita Mukherjee for Saraswati Vandana. Over to you, ma'am. Smita, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. ॐ या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा 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 Thank you, ma'am.
Champa ma'am, mic. Champa ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a melodious song. It's honor itself to honor this charming and beautiful audience today. I once again welcome you all. Today's resource person, Mrs. Garima Dahima, hardly needs any introduction. She has made all of us proud by her distinguished work in numerous capacities. Now, I request Mrs. Swati Jain to introduce the guest speaker. Over to you, Swati.
Good morning to one and all. Today, we are blessed to have a well-known personality as our resource person, Mrs. Garima Dahima, who is an educationist, a trainer, and a consultant. She is the founder of Aragya Educational Welfare Society. She hails from Indore. She has done double post-graduation in nutrition science and in English literature, diploma in yogic science MNTT. She holds the post of official Jolly Phonic trainer, UK accredited international, CIMI accredited to IAIM and mindful meditation master trainer. She has conducted training programs for reputed corporate offices and reputed social circles. She has also been associated with many schools, social and educational groups, and has conducted workshops and consultation programs. She has been associated with many NGOs, Megha Angan, UNICEF, Inspire Foundation, Agrawal Samaj, etc. Presently, she is working as core working member for Early Childhood Association in Indore chapter. Her efforts has been recognized in Global Teachers Meet 2019-20. In this COVID pandemic, she hosted many online national trainings. Her experience make her the most suitable person to motivate everyone around. Madam, we wish you good health and progress ahead. Over to Champa ma'am.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of minds to think. A good teacher and mentor can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Garima Dahima to begin up with the wonderful session. Over to you, ma'am. Garima ma'am.
Thank you so much, Champa ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, Swati ma'am, for my introduction. And I really loved it. And Smita ma'am, the Saraswati Vandana was awesome. I submit when I start my session with thankfulness and gratitude towards Padmini ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, to Giridharan sir, Shastri sir, Ranjan sir, Iyer sir, also Madhukar sir, SN Goria, and Suja Matthew ma'am. Thank you so much for inviting me and expressing that I have something which I can give it to you all. Thank you so much for being here, teachers. I'm so much looking forward to interact with you, to talk to you. And if I am a bit informal somewhere, I hope you're not going to mind it. Okay, because I am a pre-primary teacher. I cannot just sit and talk. It is more over interaction, and we are going to laugh and dance and smile. Okay, so with me here, don't worry, be relaxed. And I'm so much younger, and I'm still a learner. So please take me as still learning and still on the journey of somewhere to reach. I don't know where it is. Yes, I know my goal, but somewhere I have to reach, and every day I learn in my life. So teachers, I have this wonderful topic from offline to online, and how to be creative, and how to go for those thinking skills and whatever we were doing in school. But before starting with all of my sessions, I have just one thing in my mind. Please let us meditate. Though the Saraswati Vandana has helped us, let us center ourselves. And I'm going to teach you simple things, and you have to do that simple technique so that all the jazo which you had, the chaos you had since morning, cooking, breakfast and lunch and preparing everything, so that the solitude can be given to you by your family members. Still, I feel few teachers must be around family members. So I just want you to center yourself. Close your eyes and relax. Just take whole attention on your breath, your whole attention. And put your foot on the carpet or the floor, wherever you're sitting. Breathe in and breathe out. Scan your whole body from top to bottom and from bottom to top. Try to feel every bit of your body. Your hands, your shoulders, your eyes, your face, your back, your foot, your knees, your thighs, every bit of it. And keep your eyes closed. And there is one visualization which you have to do. Please do it with me. This is one of the most important things for today. Since childhood, you were sent to school. You did your schooling, you did your B.Ed and M.Ed, and your PhDs and doctorates, whatnot. Every time, everyone has come up here on this platform or in your school to teach you. Your glass is full of learning. Just visualize a glass, your own glass of knowledge. Just recall all those degrees and schooling and PhDs again and all the knowledge which you have gathered. Come on. And put it in that glass. Keep on putting it in that glass. Keep on putting. In your mind, keep your eyes closed and put every bit of training you have received till now. Put every bit of thing which you are proud of. Very good. I hope your glass is full. Now I want you to empty your glass. Just turn it over. Turn it over in your brain. Flood it out. It is very difficult. It is very difficult to become empty. Throw whatever has been there since ages. You need to understand that life and world is ever changing. And what was there in your glass has become of a time. And that time and moment has passed. So for this time and moment, you have to empty your glass. If you're able to empty and throw whatever it was inside, it's good. And if you are in a notion that you have emptied, at least you are in that notion that something is full and you have to let it go. Breathe in and breathe out. Rub your hands and put them on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. So teachers sitting here with a glass full of knowledge and information which you already have may not help you further. I don't say that I'm going to provide you every bit of knowledge. But this emptying of your glass every day is going to help you throughout your life. And that is what I have learned. Empty yourself. That's why I call I'm still learning. And trust me, I'm still learning. So, as our topic says, from offline to online. But to learn this, I'm going to start my session with interaction. It cannot be one way, it has to be two-way. So I need someone who can assist me throughout the session, because when I'm going to call you, I need someone who can call teachers when they're raising hand. So Champa ma'am, can you assist me throughout?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you aware of all the teachers who are here? The
Yes,
teachers who are from the other campus also?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, you are going to give them also a chance.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So thank you so much, Champa ma'am. Keep yourself unmuted throughout till you can.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Okay. I seriously don't know you. I hope I have not selected a wrong person.
No, ma'am. I will try to help you.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So my first question goes to you all. Do you find any flaw in the world you were living before COVID, in the education system? Were you having anything in your mind which was back then? I'm not talking about the COVID, the online. To understand what to do in online, you have to go back. Do you have any problem with the education system, with the way you were teaching earlier? Do you think it was 100% correct? Champa ma'am, I want you to push them.
Teachers,
Someone is moving the head.
ma'am.
I can see the movement of the head. So if you can answer me.
No, ma'am, it was not 100% correct, ma'am.
Okay. Why? You have to give reason also, Geeta ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Because we were not using these all these techniques earlier, ma'am. We were using the traditional method only.
Okay. So no,
Mostly we were using the traditional method only.
okay.
That's why it was not 100% correct, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Yes. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, anything from your side?
No, I could see something coming in the background voice. So I was in the meantime, it was all. Okay. Carry on, Karima, carry on.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Champa ma'am, please pull teachers. I need an answer. I need answer. Just one answer is not going to help me. You never had a problem, that seems. You were all okay. You were all so happy. Children in the class, 40, 50, 60, making them sit, stop talking. And you were happy. I now accept. Because there is management in principle, you cannot speak. Is that so?
Vasanti ma'am, you raised your hand.
Come on, you have to.
Vasanti ma'am.
No. Vasanti ma'am said no.
Yes. No, ma'am. Afterwards, I'll give the answer.
No, ma'am. It is this time. This is the question from here.
Okay.
Just now.
Okay. Because see, ma'am, online or offline comparison to offline, online. So offline is very interesting, ma'am. Because with the children, we sit in the class, we enjoy the activity with the children. They also enjoy with me. So I'm very much interested in online only, ma'am.
Online only, not offline.
Offline, ma'am. Offline.
Offline,
ma'am.
Offline.
Yes,
Offline.
ma'am.
So you don't see any flaw which we were following earlier. You are happy with what was happening earlier, isn't it? And you want to go back to that system. Okay.
That system, yes, ma'am. Children also enjoying with me, ma'am. And they want, ma'am, this want you do this activity.
Okay.
That only.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Anything?
Yes.
Anyone else?
Payal ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, as you were saying before COVID,
yes,
the only thing which is lacking is we need to update ourselves.
Okay.
Somewhere, somehow we are lacking. We need to update our knowledge and keep on growing in the field of knowledge. We should be practicing every day so that we can give something better to our children.
Okay, fine.
Teachers
fine.
need updation.
Okay, teachers need updation. That is what you feel. Okay, fine. Okay, my second question. Thank you so much, Payal ma'am. Champa ma'am, keep an eye if someone raises hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first thing is that earlier when you were there working offline, it was Vasanti. Vasanti ma'am, she misses children around her. She wants to be in the classroom again, and that is what she missed. She wants to enjoy. Payal ma'am says that the updation was not proper. We should have been updated earlier. Okay. Do you think you all were satisfied with what was going on earlier?
No,
why this COVID has precipitated? Why all those problems which are in the community? Don't you think that was the result of the way we were teaching earlier? I am taking a very big question here with only pre-primary teachers. Oh my God, ma'am, what is my fault in this COVID? I'm just a teacher for pre-primary children. Ma'am, it is your fault. It has all started from the education system, from the roots. Let me tell you what has happened earlier in every school and why we were unable to cope up during COVID. There was one issue, if I will take. The vaccinations were sold. They were hidden and they were sold with lots of amount, 35,000, 40,000, I don't know what, in lakhs, just the injection of which used to be which used to be available with just 1,000 or 2,000 rupees. This is all because of the education system, teachers. This is because of the years of working you all did. There are students who have passed out and have grown up with only this education system. I talk weird. Sometimes I go astray. You must be thinking ki Garima ma'am will come and will learn ways and techniques to teach. No, I am here to grind your thinking. I am not here to teach you new and creative ways. I am here to grind your thinking. You know, teachers, what has spoiled today's society? The competition in your classes, the prizes in your classes, the rat race in your class, the system of rote method, the traditional system of competing with each other, comparison, the labeling has spoiled the society. These people are growing up and are still competing for resources, for materials. First, they were competing in school for the first bench. Now they are competing in society for the first appearance, to be on the top, for money, for designation, for power. I don't know what's out. And this is a global issue again. But in Indore, this happened. It is not that only Indore schools, Indore people have done well. And there are children out there who have grown up as adults who are doing all this. From where it has come? Do you think a pharmacy person having a medical shop is a product of a slum area whose parents cannot afford school? If you have this thing in your mind, and if you feel the people who's cheating out there does not come into the cadre you have ever taught, you are mistaken, my dear teachers. I say pandemic has given you the insight of what you are teaching is not helping the society to grow well. You were only teaching what was asked out of you to teach. Have you ever thought why I am teaching this language? What is language? Let me come up to what is language. Who is a language teacher here? Can you, Champa ma'am, bring the teacher out? Don't think they will answer. Bring me out an English teacher here for pre-primary. We need good teachers. We need teachers who can speak up. You give me the
Sonal
name.
Ma'am.
Sonal ma'am. Okay.
Leena ma'am.
Leena ma'am. Okay, ma'am, you both need to be here. Sonal ma'am,
Yes,
why are you teaching English? Sonal ma'am, why are you teaching English?
At present, I am not teaching English, but the English is the way which we are communicating. The communication should be very proper to the children.
Okay.
The way we are giving them the knowledge. It is not only the syllabus knowledge. We have to make them understand the things going on around the world, because we are the base.
Okay.
If we give them the good things, then only they will raise up with the good building.
Okay. So Sonal ma'am, is there some similarity with the reading, the writing skill, and the comprehension skill and the speaking skill? Are they four same? Are they go together? Do they go together? Or do we need different skills for all four of them? You are an English teacher, you know this.
Ma'am, I'm not getting what you are saying. Can you repeat it once again?
Sonal ma'am, you were talking about English as communication. English is also about writing. English is also about comprehension. English is also about speaking. Okay, are these 3 or 4 skills, they go together?
No, they don't go together.
All these 4 things which come up in language have a different set of skills to be taken up?
Yes.
Can you differentiate? Tell me how. So you agree ki if I am writing a, there is nothing which is in the representation of a and the meaning of a?
Yes, ma'am.
So teachers, now this is a bigger picture. We are, by teaching language, we are teaching children to make something out of, to communicate with each other, to represent what they are speaking in writing. Okay? So yes, this is all itself a different skill. Now I come up to the Hindi teacher. Is it the same way? Is it the same way which goes in Hindi? Teachers, is it the same way? Shweta ma'am.
Shweta Kothari ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ma'am, can you tell me one thing? I am starting the whiteboard. Can you all see the whiteboard? Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
It is not visible. Okay. So, no problem. So, I just wanted to ask you, is there anything, any relation between the ka and the kabutar?
Ka and the kabutar, yes, ma'am.
There is. And is there any relationship between how the kabutar flies and eats and poop?
How the kabutar is flying. I'm not getting your point, ma'am.
Okay.
Is anything?
Yes. When you teach kabutar, do you teach the kabutar flies, the kabutar eats, the kabutar poops? And is there any similarity? No. No. You may say yes. Yes. Okay. So, ma'am is getting me. Language is altogether nothing about the real life you are teaching them.
Yes.
Writing and representation is just a drawing form. That is what I want you all to realize. But still you all are sleeping. You all really don't know what you are teaching and is it really related to the real world out there. And when children were there with you inside the four walls of your classroom, still they had no idea of what the reality is all about. And that is where we have failed. And teachers, this pandemic, I know it has brought a lot of loss in your family with your people around there, but this has caused an awakening. An awakening with what we were missing earlier in school. What you were missing earlier. The connections of education and real life. When EVS topics were taken, EVS are small topics taken in school. Children, they love to experiment. I agree. Children, but there was no experimentation, just a demonstration of whatever the experiment was going on. There was in reality just a demonstration. And this is one of the best period, I should say, for your development and for child's development. Again, I will come up to one more thing. When you were in your real classroom out there, did you had all the resources, 100% Montessori apparatus for each child? Different apparatus for each child?
No, ma'am.
The resources were missing, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, where is the child? There was lack of space in the class. There was very less movement. The child was having fear of letting go of his family and crying, coming to school. For 1 year, the child was only crying and the child was in a shock. Where I am? My mama has sent me here. The first year, he was crying throughout. Now, where the child is? At home. How much space do you have? How much big your classroom is? Now you have the same classroom which was in square feet 500 maybe or 200 square feet. Now it is in acres and kilometers. You are sitting at one place, the child whole house is your classroom when the child is at home. Don't feel that you are going to miss them. Children are at better place. They are at a place where mama is there. She is going to protect them. If the child is not able to understand, the child is going to call, Mama, come here, Papa, come here. The elder sibling is there to support. So this is, I think, going beyond your capacities. You are reaching every bit. You never knew what the child was exposed to at home. There was always a quarrel between teachers and parents. Whatever the product is coming out, parents used to say the child is coming to school. The teacher used to say the child is with you throughout. The child is only with me for 6 hours. How I can work? Now you have the whole day to work with the child. The child is in a secure manner. But again, you don't want to take out that time. You only want the school hours and work with children. If you can have morning, afternoon and evening session, separate 3 hours. Those 3 hours are far enough and better than having and making them sit for 5 hours. Again, we are contradicting our own self. Before pandemic, we were all about no to screen time. Mothers used to come and they used to say, no ma'am, kitna TV dekhta hai, aap isko samjhaiye, please explain him. And now what is happening? You want the child to sit in front of your screen. How is the school going to run then? I only want the teachers to understand, and this is a lot bigger and a deeper topic to understand, to become the real teacher, the real guru. What I was missing earlier, what was not present in my class, now I have to take all the benefit of mama being around. What I couldn't do earlier, I'll make them do just now. You are in a positive framework. Again, children are going to come up to you. Why? Children are not missing upon you. I am so sorry, teachers, to tell this. Parents cannot take care of children. They want the child to be out. Why? Because children are asking questions and you are the person to say, sit quietly, don't talk, don't ask, sit quietly, I have to do this. Only you can handle. You only can discipline them. And how you used to discipline? You used to make quiet everyone. Now you have very good icon, mute everyone, let the child talk. Now you can mute everyone, you will have silence in the class, you can only unmute the child, you want to talk, connect. Why this platform? What is the best aspect of this platform? It is not about teaching, it is about interacting. I can talk with Namrata, I can talk with Payal, Sonal, Sunita, I can talk with you all, I can see your faces. In class, I would have never seen Namrata in this manner. I can see her well now. Namrata, can you show me where are your ears? Okay, can you show me where is your nose? And Namrata may take, and I can see all of them on single screen. Now, why I am talking about this? You may say that when there was no pandemic, she would have given a lecture on don't use a screen time. And now she is giving a lecture on screen time. What is this development? Can you mute Ranganathan, ma'am? Can you mute her? The voice is popping out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can say this. Earlier I would have asked you not to use all this, and now I am asking you. So am I doing the partiality? Am I being partial? What is human being all about? It is all about survival. We are only about survival. Whatever the case is, whatever the surrounding is, we teach and we only survive. And when we are surviving, then what happens? If there is a threat, we try every best to survive. So this is only the way to survive at present. Survive the system you all are working in at present. That is why I am showing you the good part of it. I am not saying that this is the best thing. Don't be in a dilemma. There are few things for updation. But when I miss a lot communicating with children and the nurturing touch, the way they used to touch my kurta and my sari and pallu, and the way they used to wish me, the way they used to interact and show their love, I miss it. But presently, I can be a part of their family. Being present in someone's house is more than what you were in the class. You were blind about where they were. Now you know what is the tone of the mother. Now you know what is the tone of the father. And there is no rule that you cannot call parents online. Kiran, can you call your mama for a minute? Go and call her. I would like to talk to her. She must be using the slang language at the back. There must be some TV moving on at the back. You have so much to do at present. You are a part of their family. You have that window to peep into their house, isn't it? So yes. Do the best and take the best from what is it at present, what you're getting at present. That is what life is all about. Again, I will go back to what was not there in our old system. It was creativity and thinking are the two things which has been selected. You will say, ma'am, we were so creative. Our whole classroom were decorated. I used to decorate so many things. You will say me like that. So can you, Akshara ma'am, can you tell me what was creative about your class earlier?
We prepared so many things to show to children for like flashcards and all, and origami type of things we shown to
Okay.
them.
Okay. So, don't you think you can show everything just now also? Flashcards
Yes,
are
ma'am.
available online. Is
Yes,
there
yes,
anything
sure,
which you
ma'am.
cannot do at present?
No, ma'am.
There is
We are
everything you
doing.
can do, na?
Yes,
You are
yes, we are
doing it
doing,
and you
ma'am.
can do everything at present also. Isn't
Yes,
it?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yes. But what was... Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Who
No,
is
I'm
speaking?
just telling Mehak ma'am is also
Okay.
wants to say.
Yes, Mehak ma'am, please. Can you come up here and can you speak? She has been muted, ma'am.
Yes, Mehak ma'am, unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, you are logged in from 2 devices, I think. Or the mobile is near. Ma'am, you are so inaudible to me. You are not audible.
Let
Can you all
Payal
hear
share.
her?
Ma'am, let Payal share.
Yes, ma'am, please mute yourself, Mehak ma'am. I think there is some issue with the audio.
Yes, network issue is there.
Yes. Ma'am, can you mute Mehak? I cannot hear her. Yes, there was some issue. I was trying my best to hear. Okay, no problem. So, Akanksha ma'am, Payal ma'am, Mehak ma'am, you can put it in the chat box. I have it. I can read it. No problem. Okay. I'm so happy that you have turned up and you have spoken. That really requires some gut to do it. Okay. Because everyone from the school is sitting here. So I appreciate your efforts. But because of the voice, I cannot hear you properly. I'm so sorry. Yes. Is there anyone? What is creativity all about in the classroom? What is creativity? I cannot come and speak and go. You will not be helped. Anita ma'am, Anushri, Anusha. There are so many teachers I can see from A to Z. Hemlata, Aarti, and then we have
Manju ma'am.
So many of you all are here. Come on.
Ma'am, creativity is all about taking the same
Please let Manju ma'am share her feelings. Chalo.
Yes,
Namrata ma'am, please.
Yes. Creativity in the classroom, which means we can decorate the softbox in the classroom as per our occasions, activities, etc. What we are planning. And when we celebrate our Colors Day, we can tell the children to come in those particular colors. It will bring more beautiful when they come together.
So
it will be so
that
much
is creativity.
wonderful. Yeah.
Okay.
And
okay, great.
Show them so many activities as per our planning.
Okay, good. Anyone else?
Maza
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Maza ma'am.
Boli Maza ma'am.
Ma'am, creativity is all about making things interesting for children.
Okay, making things interesting. Innovative ideas with creativity in teaching makes a difference for pre-primary. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Anushri ma'am. Anushri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, the creativity is when, ma'am, child and a teacher together do the work, and I miss that. When we do things together, when we hold their hands and do the hand printing and make some design out of it, and then we put it in the creative zone. That is the thing we are not able to do right now.
Okay, fine. Anyone else?
Namrata ma'am.
Creativity. Ma'am, creativity is the process of making a child to be practical.
Okay, Namrata ma'am. Okay, Namrata ma'am is speaking. Okay, Leena ma'am.
Leena Sebastian ma'am. Leena
You all
Sebastian,
can, who don't want to speak, please put it in the chat box. There is just one message in the chat box. We are 56 here. Please put the answer in chat box. Leena ma'am, you continue.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, Garima ma'am, and respected trustees are present online. Actually, my point of view is that creativity is not only about attending class, but the way we teach in the class. And that creativity and innovative ideas really helped us a lot during this pandemic, because inside the class they have the blackboards which they used to use, but this pandemic has really taught us how creatively we can teach things, which is very simple, I think, but the children, they always look forward for innovative ideas, fun loving things, and now we all are moving towards that. So this has really made a great difference in our teaching. So we are thankful to this pandemic also, which has given us a reason to move towards an innovative way of teaching.
Okay, Leena ma'am, what is creativity? How are you enhancing creativity in your classroom is my question. Is there any teacher who would like to answer? You are not writing. When we are in a platform of workshops, the chat box is like full. I really like to suffer to read the comments. Here you're not picking up your typing or your pens. Teachers, you're not inputting your own ideas. Okay. What is creativity about? Is it creativity about only innovative ideas? No. It is creativity about working together. That is what I have heard from you.
Yeah.
But this is what I am saying, what you all have written. Creativity is express your ideas in an innovative way. Creativity is when child is involved. And then you all said that you have been creative. Okay, so let me talk about one person. This may not be associated with your pre-primary teaching, but do you all know who was Kabir Das? Kabir Das? Who was Kabir Das? Yes or no? Write it in the chat box. Yes or no? You know Kabir Das? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no. Write it in the chat box. Yes, Shalini. Only Shalini knows the spelling of yes. Okay, Payal and Sonal also knows the spelling of yes. Very good, Supra. Very good, Geeta. You also know the spelling of yes. What was, was he a creative man? Now tell me. Now my next question is, what Kabir Das a creative man? He was a Hindi poet. Okay, everyone knows. Okay. He was a creative man? Okay. Who was his teacher? Now my third question, who was his teacher?
Life.
Okay. So life was there. He was living. So why we all are having life? Why we are not Kabir Das? Life was his creative. Was something. Yeah. Life made him, taught him creativity. His thinking, imagination power is different. Different from what? The meaning of thinking and imagination is same in Oxford Dictionary printed all over the world. Do you really understand the meaning of thinking, imagination, creative? If you are being creative and innovative, it does not make that the child is being creative, innovative. That is where we fail. That is what I want you to understand. Kabir Das was a creative person. Yes, real life experience. Now, what inspired him in his life? The inspiration around him in his life made him creative, and he expressed in his language. He never went to school. He never wrote a single line. To share with you, all his poems were a collection of his followers. He has never written, never picked up pen or pencil. He used to just speak. Okay, so there was just speaking. He could understand. That is in the starting when I was talking with a teacher. I just wanted to tell you that it is not compulsory to know writing to speak and communicate. Kabir Das never wrote a single word, but he spoke, and his collection was there. He brought spiritual thinking to imagination. I just want you to understand that creativity is inspiration from the surrounding. When you are being creative for your own self, and your job inspires you. What do you do in class which inspires the child to be creative? What you want the child to do? Fold the paper, cut it with a scissor, and that is origami, is not an inspiration, teachers. If you're putting on the wall and the wall is colorful, it is not an inspiration. and you make the child see. The inspiration becomes when you don't make the child see and you put something on the pin board and the child comes and sees, and twice and thrice and 4 times the child is watching. That inspires him, but you are not telling the child to see. It is his own capacity, the ability to express our own ideas. Manju ma'am, where are you going to? Are you really catering the own ideas of child in the classroom? What is own ideas? Do you ever ask what you want to do today? Can we do something which the child wants to do? Then what is going to happen? Akshara is a girl in my class. She would like to do something else. And Champa is some other girl. She wants to do something else. And there is a boy who is very notorious. He wants to do something else. Ma'am, how am I going to manage? And how am I going to make them creative? That here you can be creative. You just have to inspire them and talk and make them think. When they are going to think, then they are going to connect. They are going to come up with their own ideas. Yes, Hemlata, please speak up. I can see your raising hand. Hemlata, ma'am. You were raising hand. Please speak up.
Yes, ma'am. We can connect in one activity all the children together in the classrooms.
Again, creativity is not about everyone doing the same thing. You can only inspire. That is what the downline. I'm sorry to give you the direct answer.
Practical to come up.
Okay, Namrata ma'am, this word is very bad for me, practical. Don't make children practical. They are all in their imaginative world, in their fairy world, in their dream world.
It is not related. That means it is not related with theoretical. Make them learn by doing.
Okay. They learn by doing. I understand. I understand what we want to speak. We always lack words, what we really would like to convey. It is true. I understand this. I totally understand this. Whatever the language you are teaching teachers, you will not be able to convey. Okay. Can you write in words in chat box whatever you have felt since I started the session till now? Can you put them all together, each and every feeling? The humiliation also must be felt. Pata nahi hai kya baat kar rahi hai. She feels she's over smart and I am doing my best in class. You must be having this feeling. Can you write every bit of whatever you have felt since you have got up in the morning and have done and everything around you? The language fails us there. We feel that by just saying and making them do a work, we can just invoke creativity. You have to be a teacher who inspires all the children, who inspire children to learn, to grow by own themselves. And that is what our institution, our teaching pedagogy was missing earlier. The child, if feel that, yes, I really want to know and really want to read that big book, then I need to know the alphabets, and you're dancing and you're teaching and the child is involved and you're not forcing. Creativity cannot be out there when you force. You have to make things interesting. And please remember this word, inspiration is near to creativity than interesting. You may find it interesting. I may not find it interesting. How can you inspire others? Okay, what do you do to make them think? Can you give one example to make them think? What do you do to make them think?
Shalini ma'am, Shalini Tendon ma'am.
Okay.
Please come up.
Ma'am, storytelling.
Yes, storytelling, yes, you can inspire them to think, yes. And I should say that story which never ends is something which they can go for thinking skills. They can have their own things to put up, then act. Simple activity, inspire them. And no. No means there is no or no yes. I'm sorry to say no. Give him back. I get to know much when inside.
By giving them some activity.
Yes. Okay. Tell me one activity, Shalini. Like of thinking skill.
Yes, we can ask something about their family, about their mama, papa, so that they can feel comfortable.
That is the direct answer. There is no thinking in it. There is a direct, yes, my mother's name is Chandra Sharma, Vinod Sharma. Papa goes to office and comes back. Where have you taken?
Ma'am, why role play?
No, wait. See, Shalini ma'am, why I pick up when I asked you, share one thinking activity. The first thing which has come up to your mind is not a thinking activity. Then you cannot explain it. No means you cannot explain it. Is there anyone? Just the first line should be perfect. How can you organize? Just give me one thinking activity in your class. I will appreciate.
Ma'am, we can.
Okay, write it in the chat box. Champa ma'am, please control.
Yes.
Ma'am, with the help of show and tell activity, like we will show one thing, like just an apple, and I will ask, say 5 lines about apples. Then child will think about that flower, and he will tell so many things about that fruit.
Okay. So this is thinking. What the child will say, I eat it. It is red in color.
It is apple. It is very yummy.
This is what you want to hear. This is what you want to hear. Okay, good. Take it. This is also a way. I am missing personal attachment with children in online time. They don't want to come front of screen. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am, I know they will not switch on the video. But see, if you are hiding behind today, your children are not going to appear on the screen. I haven't seen you on the screen. So are you there, Sangeeta ma'am, with your videos on?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you? Now you are here. Yes. So if you are keeping your videos on here throughout, do you know when I came in 10 minutes earlier, I was all okay with the video on. You have to be all okay with the video on, and after some time, some days, the child will be all okay with videos. Thumb impression is an activity. Again, you want child to do something, and then that is thinking skill. You need to make the child think. Okay, let me take one class. This is just an example. You have better ideas. I have this animal theme. I have a pressure of syllabus and my coordinator, and I have to do animals. And how am I going to make children think? I have to tell them a lion is there and tiger is there. So maybe some teacher will talk about zoo. Have you ever been to zoo? So the child may come up with animals. Some teacher may come up, what are the animals you see around your house? And then you can cover up, and you can all ask students separately, okay, draw the animals which you can see around your house. Draw the animals which you have seen in the zoo. There is one more thing. Okay, children, so today you are zoo owners. And you have to take care of your animals, and tell me what animals you have in your zoo. Come on, tell me what animals you have in your zoo. Which question is the most innovative? Which is going to make the child think? Tell me. Write it in the chat box. The first one, have you visited to zoo? The second one, what are the animals you look around? That is something which you all keep on doing. The third is, you are the manager of zoo and you own a zoo and your house is a zoo and different things at different places. You can keep animals. You are the manager. Tell me who are the animals. How do you make them eat? What is the animal your lion is eating? What are you giving to the giraffe? What are you doing with the hippopotamus? And are you having different fishes and snake in your zoo? Okay, so the last question. That is how you make them learn. What do you make them eat? If the child is searching what I make them eat, what I have to make the snake eat, the child is going to remember snakes. Then the child is going to remember, okay, for tiger and lion, I have to arrange some meat and some chickens from out, some flesh. And for all those birds, I have to arrange some food, some dana, I don't know what. We cannot force the child to think. It's a human nature of thinking. We cannot force them to think. No, don't force them, inspire them to think. Make them, give them authorities, give them responsibilities. That is how, give them inspiration around you. Share your life stories with them. You share the book stories. Open page number 4. We are going to read this lesson. There is no connection of this lesson with the real life. What am I going to do with the Ram boy somewhere with his parents? Have your own stories. Have your own connections with children. And if there's something as called forced and syllabus and lessons which you have to do, you have to talk about all those lessons with your coordinators. There cannot be just one answer to everything. Whereas in pre-primary, we have lots of fun. Children are not having the books with question and answers. That is something, the best aspect of pre-primary. You can talk about anything. Flowers is the theme of today. What I am going to do with flowers? Am I going to show them picture? Am I going to show them the spellings? What am I going to do? Okay, so they own a garden of their own. Have you ever been to a flower garden? Have you ever seen the Lotus Valley, which is outside Indore? I have been there. There are hundreds and thousands of lotus. So I'm not talking about anything which comes from the book. I'm talking about my real life. Something which I have seen. Something which I have experienced. I am sharing it. And then let the child also share. And you know, from behind, I have even seen mothers saying, ma'am, the child is fooling. Ye to jhoot bol rahi hai. We have never been there. And then you say, देखो झूठ मत बोलना, don't say a lie. अरे let the child assume, imagine. किसी ने तो share किया होगा. Today you are sharing, I went to the Lotus Valley. Some guest will come to his house and he will say, I went to the Lotus Valley. Yes, he may say this also. He may visualize, imagine. And children providing them with direct answers, with direct pedagogies, with direct themes is one of the most, I should say, immature things, the things which harm children, which harm the creativity, the thinking process. And one of the biggest thing is toys. One day keep a toy day. Today I am going to see all toys, whatever you have. Let the child bring his favorite toy. Let the child tell what colors are there in the toy. Ma'am said ki on red day we used to make children wear red dress. Okay, you can ask, you're sitting, an animalist, at random you can say, okay, whatever is red in your house, go and bring it. And children will go running, popping out from their tables, and they're going to rush and hush and push and bring it on your table. You have to make them move. Now in classrooms, you couldn't have. Only the resources you had, what you could arrange. Now they have the whole house. Go and bring the vegetables. Go and see how many vegetables are there in your fridge. Ask your mama to help you. Don't take a vegetable class like showing them the video or pictures. They have the whole world out there when they are at home. How can you bring all the vegetables in the school? No, you cannot. And then some child must be having a kitchen garden. And you can ask the child, can you take the mobile there? Someone may say, ma'am, I have tomatoes. And children can see tomatoes, can see chilies, which are there on the plants. This is the benefit you have of online sessions. And others may think, okay, mama, can we also grow tomatoes? This is the output of your class. Mama, can we also grow brinjals? I saw it today. And mama will say, okay, she's not creative. She's unable to grow these things. She will learn. Then you can have something or the other from your own house or collection. That today I and Meena are going to be a part of your class. And Meena would like to say hello. And can you bring me your teddy bear, the toy which you love, who has eyes and nose and mouth and hands? So I'm going to teach you. See how many fingers Meena is having. She's having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have seen teachers going online with just pictures and worksheets. Arey, please don't do this, Baba. You have the whole world at their home. Call anything. Call Rajma. Call Chawal. You can do the activities like segregations and matching. Okay, you have to go and bring dal, the different kinds of dal from your kitchen. Children have their own imagination power. We have to encourage them to express their thoughts. Yes, Hema ma'am. And encourage is inspire them, and that is what is creativity all about. You don't take a pressure of arranging hundreds of things on your table here. Now teacher ka kaam aur easy ho gaya hai. Your work has become more easier. You can ask the child to bring anything. Now what? Aur aap kya kar sakte ho? There are so many things. Have you ever heard about STEM education? STEM, have you ever heard? Yes or no? Write it in the chat box. STEM education is STEM, STEM, about the science, the technology, the engineering, and the mathematics. It is going out there in society because school is not teaching. Try to go for a pedagogy of STEM education, whereas STEM is now no more STEM. I take a session where we talk about STEM as streams. Now it is no more STEM education, it is streams. What is stream? What is the difference between STEM and stream? STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Stream is about science, technology, reading. While doing the experimentation and calculation, we forgot that reading is essential. Reading has been inculcated. A is for arithmetic. A is for art education. We have again input here. And M is for again mathematics. But what is this last S for? Spiritualism. Because this pandemic has showed you a lot about spiritualism. If you are happy inside, if you are positive, you are going to face the pandemic positively. You are going to face the disease positively. The child is going to face the disease positively. And now because the disease is in home, the parents are depressed, they are losing the economy, and children are also losing out. Humanity, yes, Payal. Did you ever taught humanism in classroom? You have to be kind. Now, what about the things, values you used to teach? You used to say that when you go to home, you keep your shoes in place. Now you can ask, show me your shoe shelf. Where is your shoe shelf? Take the mobile to the shoe shelf. Show me where is your almirah. Tomorrow, Champa, it is your turn. You will show me your shoe shelf. You will show me your table. You will show me your almirah. Today, Payal, it is your turn. Sangeeta, yours is on Wednesday. Arushi, yours is on Saturday. You have to do it. That is how you inculcate values. Okay, can you show me where your mama worship? Where is the temple in your house? So children are going to take, today is the day we are going to visit Anushri's house. She's going to show us every bit, whatever she is interested. Okay, so Anushri has showed us the gods, the idols, where her mama does it. And Anushri is also showing, this is Ganpati Papa and this is the Lakshmi Ji and whatever. Okay, Anushri, next day, Akshara, it's your turn. I want to see where your mama cooks food. Do you help your mama? Do you arrange things and utensils? Now that the child is at home, he will not say, yes, yes, madam, yes, yes, ma'am. You can always, the child will be prepared. Anushri will be prepared. Okay, the teacher is going to visit my kitchen and my friends are also going to visit. I have to see the kitchen. Where are different things? And Garima is the teacher. Garima will ask Akshara, Akshara, show me where is salt, where mama keeps sugar. Akshara will ask mama the day before. Because Garima as a teacher will tell her, Akshara, I will ask you tomorrow. Simple 2-3 things. Where is katori? Where is glass? Children, they don't know even this. And now you can help the mothers also. And see, your mothers will be so happy. Ma'am, बहुत interesting class होता है. बच्चा पूरे घर में घूमता है. He's so happy. He's helping me in mopping and sweeping also. So you can make him do. Okay, so now today is the day of learning. वो जो single fold, double fold आप paper में सिखाते थे. Why you used to teach this single fold, double fold? So that one day the child can fold the real clothes, na? Why don't you call for the real clothes? Have a folding class. Message the parents, I want you to keep 6 things. A towel, a small napkin, their undergarments, their waist, their clothes also. Put it there, only child's towel. Then you can, okay, so there's a bunch, a heap of clothes near the child. Now the child will show you how they are folding. You can demonstrate, the child may learn. Or even a child may, maybe Sonal knows it better. So I'll ask Sonal, Bita, do you know how to fold the towel? So Sonal will teach me. But as a teacher, Garima knows 4 ways of folding the towel. Now it is very far off. Folding just single, double, it is all old. How to roll a towel. How to make a rectangle out of the towel. How to make a square out of the towel. I can show many things. You can ask the child to arrange the table also. See, Sonal has lost. She thought ma'am has taken my name. Now I'll switch off my video. Okay. Then you can also take the dining table setting. Where do you eat? The child may say, ma'am, I don't have a dining table. Payal will say, no, ma'am, mere paas mein thodi dining table. We eat on the floor. Okay, you must be eating somewhere on the floor with the carpet, with the choki or the thali on the floor, no problem. So today Payal is going to show where her family eats. She's going to click pictures when she is going to eat. So Payal will be all ready to show the area where she eats, where cleaning is done. This is connecting with the real life. And you will see when you will connect all these things to the real life, you will see all your themes will be covered. Don't feel, ma'am, agar hum ye sikhayenge to when are we going to teach our syllabus? No, teachers, everything will be covered. Learn to teach phonics in a definite manner, in a proper manner. You get the stories, the songs, the articulation, the blending, the segmenting skills. You are teaching Hindi language. Learn how to teach it well, how to talk about the Hindi language with different things at home. Don't take only the Shabdakosh, the vocabulary of the book. Try to connect with them so that they gain confidence. Ki, okay, I know what is Katori. So how are we going to write Katori? Because they are learning O ki matra and they have learned the Bada E. I will take this, and then when maybe I have to make them write A ka shabd, I will think about Anushri showed me her temple and there was a Ram picture. I will connect it with my Hindi class. Anushri, that day you took us and showed me a picture of Ram. This is how Ram is written. This is how things are written in this language, in this language. Because you have a lot more to do online. And a lot of stage and platform and resources. Now school is not responsible to provide you resources. A list of things to the HOD. Ma'am, I need this, scissors and papers in the class. Now you don't have to bother about this. The mama will do, the papa will do. But try to use the home resources rather asking them to purchase something. For example, clay work. Ask the mother to make a dough. Provide the child with the dough, the atta, the flour atta. And let the child make the dough. You don't ask the mother to make the dough. Ask mother to help when the child is making the dough. That is more fun. Isn't it? Ask the child, he or she can make a chick, a yellow chick that day. So ask mama, please give him a boiled potato. Then using the boiled potatoes, you can make chick also. You are working on the fine motor skills at home only. Just give me a second. I'm sorry, the Kachrawala is here. I'm at home, teachers. So I have to call Didi so that she can give it. Okay, I'm so sorry. So this is all I have to give you. Now I want you all also to come up and share things. Yes, few more things I would like to tell. Yes, there are applications which can be used. Earlier we used to purchase what? Books. Now there are applications for art and craft, for mathematical things, or for English resource. You need to understand which application is free. It is all available on web. You can make the child use the application also. Because teachers, this is a year where we cannot open school also. Don't think, don't assume that children are going to come to you now, this year. That is what I can just visualize. Don't be a teacher waiting for management to give you some reason. You have to plan your whole year ahead. You have to be a visionary. Teaching is all about having the vision of future. Teaching is not only living in present. That you have to make the child do it. Live in present. Be at the same moment with the child. But as teachers, you plan out things for coming future. Again, with mathematical activity, I may tell you, when in class, we call bindis, okay, and then you are putting the bindis, helping each child. Now the mama ka pura almirah hai na? Bangle hai mama ka, bindi hai mama ka, everything hai mama ka. Ask the child to bring it. Pair of shoes in English if you are teaching, collective noun. You have so much at home for the collective noun to be taught. Pair of shoes, pair of scissors, the child will bring. That is the real scissor. Why the child is going to associate with your products as his products. Now the association is more deeper. Isn't it? Talk to the child about pandemic also. Why this happened? What should be learned? In school, the child never learned to lead a real life. Even we are not teaching. But you need to teach. Ask them, it is a compulsion by the end of the year to have a kitchen garden in your home. This is a school activity. This is the demand of present. If you will teach them and if you will nurture the skill of gardening since pre-primary, this is going to grow very big. Ask parents, it is a compulsion, madam, I cannot help you. What is sprouts? You have to make the child do it. What earlier you used to do? You will bring chana, you will soak it, you will bring moong, moot, Why to do this? Make the child do it. Go and bring chana. Ask your mama to give you chana. The child may come, ma'am, chana nahi hai, chana nahi hai. Okay, bring chola. Okay, chola nahi hai, chola nahi. Okay, bring moong. Acha, bring more. 4 में से एक चीज तो होगी ना. At least you can grow one thing. Okay, 5th cheese. Ask him to bring a rajma or a chawla. I have given you 6 seeds which are there at home. Let me give you more. Methi dana. Then rai. Even you didn't knew. These are all micronutrients to be grown at home. Can be eaten. Rai, that is the mustard seed. So you can ask anything at home. You don't have to arrange it. No need to spend money also. Now children will do it. Peanut. See, Anita is here. She must be an EVS teacher. Bring a peanut. Soak it. Then do it. What is your peanut? Show me your peanut. And don't tell today, children, you have to soak your peanut. No. Make them do in front of you. Go and bring a plate. Put peanuts in it. Show me where are your peanuts. Sangeeta, I cannot see your peanuts. Ma'am, mere paas peanut nahi hai. Okay, go and bring some other seed. I want to see it just now. Make them do in front of your eyes. Invest time in them. Invest lots of time in them. And then Sangeeta will do the soaking in front of you. That is how you have to do. Then you are at home. How are you going to teach them taking care of self? When they used to come to school, you will say, ma'am, we have taught them how to wash hands. Washy. Okay, you can demonstrate and you can ask them, go to the wash basin and wash your hands and come again. Would you have done this in school? No, how will you send all children? The whole class will run to the wash basin. The principal and the HOD will come to your class. क्या हो रहा है ये संगीता? ये क्या बच्चे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? माँ, मैं हैंड वॉश सिखा रही हूँ. अब तो HOD को मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा. सब बच्चे रियलिटी में हैंड वॉश सीख जाएंगे. Isn't it? Now teach the child to comb his or her own hairs. Ask the child to bring oil. Self-grooming. These are simple things. The child will put oil. Okay, now can you see yourself? I'll comb. Bring a comb. You are teaching the child to comb. The child is going to enjoy. The child, today also you make the child sit in front of screen as you were doing it earlier. In the classroom also you were the same. Now also you are the same. That is why children don't want to switch on the video. But now, because the institution has to survive, you need to have a bonding with children. It is a compulsion for you. Out of 40, you must be missing upon 10 of them. The school must have lost 10. How much problem as an institution people are having? They have to give you salary. They have to manage the whole building, the maintenance, take out their own salary. It is very difficult. I have my own small setup. That's why I can give these words. As a teacher, you may not realize. But now your role has become more important. The school has given you the survival. You have to return this to school also. I'm not speaking this because management is here. Don't feel that way. I'm a management of my own school. I know how difficult it is to survive in this pandemic. And I have 40, 50 more houses. I can say 54 teachers here. These are only pre-primary teachers. Abhi to ek slot hai. I have to take care of so many houses and children and everyone. So they are having a bigger burden. And if you're not going to connect, if you're not going to teach, I should say the pandemic children, the year jo born hue hain, who are there in nursery, KG1, KG2 will suffer. They will not have any base. And they will not have any bonding also with you. And they should wait to meet Anushri, ma'am. Anushri ne itna unko pagal kar diya. She has been to their house. So the children should wait ki ma'am, kab school kholega and I need to meet you. I really look forward to meet you. And there is a lot more tragedy teachers with my own children, you know, because I had to take this session with you all. I was just talking to my daughter. I'm sorry to convey this. I was talking to her. Beta, what are the things your teacher have used, the ways in this pandemic, in this online teaching, which has interested you? What was the most interesting class for you? अरे मम्मा कुछ भी नहीं, 2-4 प्रेजेंटेशन डाल दिए थे टीचर ने, 1-2 टीचर ने वो पीपीटी वाले. And that also children, they don't read it. They to only enjoy by themselves. Okay. Did you had any extempore competition or any extempore or any story writing or any debate? It was her last year for the 12th. My daughter's here now, so she'll come in first year. So she told me, ma'am, Mama, there is no memory of 12th I can cherish now of teaching and learning. But I have cherished the school when I used to go. Again, I asked, what is the best thing you are going to miss about school? Mama, I'm going to miss my friends and the library where I had the freedom to read the book I wanted. These were the only two expressions. And then I told her, I'm having a presentation in Sikka school and I'm going to share. And then she told me, "Arey, abhi ruko, result nahi aaya hai. Don't tell which school I am in." She told me this. Can you understand the terror of teacher? Arey, still wait. My son is in 11th class in the same school. Abhi to Geet to usi school mein. Don't say it on the platform. मैं बोला मेरे को कोई नहीं रोक सकता है. It is not only about my children. Are you hitting them and reaching to the core of their souls? Are they going to miss you? When they grow old, when they come across you and they touch your foot, you feel, wow, the child remembers me. But you inside know that you had not even touched a single aspect of child. Not even a single aspect of child. The child does not remember that you have taught him to put the shoes in the shelf, or eat properly, or wash your hands. Sometimes they don't remember. They just do it as a formality. Ma'am, humne bahut kuch sikha aapse. They have forgotten. Make your class that they remember till eternity ki us class mein us din mujhe maza aaya tha. And children, they talk about it till now. My children, they talk about this. I am very sure. I have lost so many children. We have very less children in our school. But they talk to us, they relate to us, and we give a lot of time, the 2 hours we are getting. Teachers, they keep on talking and talking and talking. Children also talking and repeating, whatnot. Let me take you to one imaginative word. Okay, Champa ma'am, I am seeing people leaving the meeting and coming in and leaving and coming in. Okay, we cannot close the doors. There is no way to close the door now.
Ma'am, sometimes network issue also.
Network issues is there. Okay, fine. I just keep on asking. I just keep on asking my own questions. Let me share one example of the thought process. Okay, Champa ma'am, can you mute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have that background voice. I was taking a class and I was talking about the body parts. Okay, and that is my way. The same thing as I told. I asked the child to bring a toy, a teddy bear or a doll. So one brought a Barbie doll and one brought a very dirty, I should say, a teddy bear, which was very dirty and torn. She was Vamika and she was in nursery class. And then because I am also a teacher like you, I was also in a hurry to teach Vamika, see, this is a doll I have, and can you see the eyes and nose and mouth? And Vamika, we see from our eyes, we smell from our nose, and we breathe in from our nose and speak from our mouth. So only this was something which was covered. And then there was one who started showing his teddy bear, because they do the same thing. They started copying me, ki ma'am, mera bhi teddy bear ka ye eyes hai, ye nose hai, ye mouth hai, and eyes se hum kya karte hain, whatever. And then Vamika was quiet. And then she asked me, ma'am, आपकी doll बात करती है क्या? तो मैंने बोला कि why are you asking me this, Vamika? You tell me about your teddy bear. I will not say no. I will not say no. No is not in my dictionary when I am connecting with children. No is something which I have deleted. Vamika, tell me about your teddy bear. Does he talks? Ma'am, ये ना पहले बात करता था और अब बात नहीं करता है. मम्मा बोलती है कि ये नकली है.
नेटवर्क इश्यू गरिमा, आपका इमेज नो साउंड कमिंग. गरिमा,
फ्रीज हो गया और हैंग हो गया ऐसा लगता है इसमें.
என்ன பண்ண போற சொல்லு புஷ்பா, என்ன வாட் இஸ் யுவர் பிளானிங்? வண்டி சர்வீஸ் பண்ணணும், நாளைக்கு தான் எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ
Never mind, she will be back soon, teachers.
Yes, ma'am.
In the meantime, if you have
Yes,
some
ma'am.
questions, you kindly
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down a piece of paper so that when she's back, you can ask, right? So it is teaching, learning, more about teaching
Yes,
and
ma'am.
learning, right?
Sure,
Champa,
ma'am.
you
Okay.
should. You can also engage them by whatever they have. You can recall what she has spoken to you.
Ma'am, can we mail her the questions, ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Nini, Abhini, she'll be back. She'll be back soon. Let her conclude first. Then only you can start. What I'm telling you, just wait. She will be back. Some
Yes,
network
ma'am.
issues. Suja
Yes.
madam will work out. Some network issues.
I had
Madam
just
will
a
call.
talk.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Please.
ma'am. I had just a talk with her. Since the light गई है तो hotspot लेके she is going to come back.
We'll
Okay.
wait. It's a wonderful session. Let her conclude. You
Yes.
can have a small interaction, Shampa. That's what I meant.
So the teachers, I hope you have had a very nice session going on, and the things which we really want, different perspectives we are sharing and we are getting it. That's more important. And how we are going to use it. That is also one of the basic things. It's the main reason for this orientation. I'm going to have sort of a reorientation of us. We have been in the field with small kids, the small mind, their mindset can't be exactly just change as an overnight thing. The hibernation they did have is very much was too long. So in order to get them out of it, it really is going to take them a very tough task, but we have to find out. I suppose the session is going to be very much nice, and in the way she was speaking that, how to get the kids out. बच्चे को अपन बोलते हैं ना, जैसे आपने वो सुना है that butterfly जो है, that वो जो अपने प्यूपा से बाहर आता है, तो somebody help them out. वो प्यूपा को में से बटरफ्लाई को बाहर आने का हेल्प किया, but that butterfly couldn't fly. वो बहुत टाइम तक मतलब that butterfly became a handicap. So that was the meaning. जैसे मैडम ने कहा था कि एक अपने बच्चों का स्प्राउट उगाने के लिए कहा, मैडम नहीं है, लेकिन आपको जब 4-5 ऑप्शन दिया जाता है तो वी आर मेकिंग द किड्स टू इन्वॉल्व इन इट. उनको पता चल गया कि 4-5 दाने का नाम क्या है, चना है, मोठ है, all these things. The child have to connect with the thing. यहाँ तो आपको सिर्फ चने से कनेक्ट कराया है to the real thing going around according to their age. That was what actually meant. बच्चों को आग से कब तक डर नहीं लगता जब तक वो खुद जले ना. तो उसके लिए लाल कलर की चीज with the things out ऐसे ही है. लेकिन जब तक when it touches it and feel the burning sensation, तब तक the kid is just fine. हाँ, सब कुछ वो लेगा, खाएगा, पिएगा, everything. So this sort of मतलब जो रिलेशन जो एसोसिएशन करता है, that is move on. I hope आप लोग जो है Manju madam, Champa madam, and Aarti madam, I hope you people are very in touch in the field. They would be having more experience. Can you share some experience in Lampton? Is arranging for the hotspot around her. We don't want anybody just sitting like that. That's why I just. Yes, ma'am. Any personal experience you had in the school which had made you more what you said, हाँ ऐसा भी हो सकता है like that we could share in this platform.
Yeah, today we are here to discuss the creativity innovation in offline and online. As Suja has rightly said, that it was more about the creativity. Shamba, can you join me in this? Do we really go for the creativity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is that?
Yes, ma'am. Madam, here what she explained, that in school we have to do something or other, creativity or creative work to make them learn or to teach them. But here in online, we can take help of all the things in our home to teach them. So many, in so many areas, we can explore our thoughts. Say, for example, moral values, all these things we can teach them. We can, sometimes we can say, okay, you sit with your mother or you sit with your grandparent and you tell what all things you do for your grandparents and how you help your mother. Like this, we can inculcate so many things. See, if we want to express any shape, always we can't bring all the things at school, but at home we can instruct them. Ki go and bring the bindi of your mother, go and bring the roti which your mother has made. So we can explain them the shape, round shape.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes, rightly said. Because in the formative years of the early education, you know, the child is adaptable to the environment. Child is adaptable to what you call it, the best of the learning. You know, a child not always looks up to the mother or that of a teacher. Mother Montessori has once said that education is the most powerful weapon. What you educate and how you inculcate the basic values transforms one's own self in the coming years of in the growing years of the child. That's why they say the formative years, starting from home to that of the child's school, makes a lot of difference. See, Montessori, yes, madam is very. Garima, I was trying to ponder my thoughts. Yes, over to you. Over to you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vijayalakshmi ma'am. And this is one issue which we all are facing.
Never mind. Please,
Okay,
carry on.
So I'll just carry on with something I was sharing the incidents with you. That is about what the child fantasy, what the child thinks. And seriously, the girl Vamika asked me, ma'am, आपकी डॉग बात करती है क्या? मेरा पहले करता था टेडी बियर बात, अब नहीं करता. मम्मी बोलती है तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, यह बात नहीं कर सकता है. With a nursery, there is no chapter with me as non-living thing. You don't have it in pre-primary with living and non-living things. In till KG2 also, we don't talk about living and non-living things. From class 1, we talk about it. And we kill the thinking process. It starts from home itself. ये कोई थोड़ी बात करता है. The child sits for hours and keep on talking with the toy and assuming as if the toy is her baby. There is one more incident when my daughter was very young. Again, I'm sorry to use my doll. So my daughter had one best friend and she used to visit us home. My daughter with her doll used to take it, honestly. So, mera bacha, you're feeling hungry, I'll make you eat. And on the other hand, what her friend used to do? Soda, chal, soda, khana kha le. Aise kyun baiti hai? Aise kyun dekh rahi hai? Can you differentiate what was happening at her house? I could see what and how her parenting was. You have never any window to peep in. You have never any window to understand what parents are doing at home, what the child is undergoing. Teachers, I am always a part of teachers training. It is not because I love to train and I love teachers. No. I'm all advocate for children. I'm all advocate to save the childhood, the innocence which they are born out of. I'm here so that I can save the child, every bit of child on this planet from you all. So that the thinking does not stop. I want the teachers to melt and dissolve so that child can come up on his own. Don't make school a factory system where children are coming equally and used to do the same as parents do? Yes. Children are doing the same way you all are doing as with the child. So I was here, I really accepted to train teachers, and in my life also I gave a number of seminars and topics and language teaching only to save my tiny children from all the teachers. I want to save the thinking. Yes, ma'am? Okay, I think that was just essay. So again, to repeat the last thing, teachers, there are hundreds of resources available on internet. I will just read out what are the resources you can use. We have one Diksha, which is again from the National Platform of School Education. It was launched in September 2017. There was no COVID preparation, but it was launched. We have this Swayam, which was also an initiative of Government of India for NIOS. You will get small things, small lesson plans, though it starts from class 1. But when the child is coming up to you, when he's going out in class 1, you know what you have to teach in the background. You can use small or the other videos from all these things. You have one more, Swayam Prabha. It is also an online 34th DTH channel. It is devoted to teaching and learning resources only. You will find creative teachers there. You will not be able to imagine what they are doing out there, how they are conducting science experiments with small children. I have been to one science experiment exhibition in Bhopal conducted by government school. Yes, ma'am. Achha, you attended, Geetha. Thank you so much. You remember the training, which I took in Sahodaya. We also have E-Pathshala. We have Nishtha, a national initiative for school heads and teachers, holistic advancement. Last thing I would like to say, then there are more virtual labs also is available. National Digital Online Library is there. I'm only talking about the Indian platforms the government has given. There are hundreds of private things. There are hundreds of international global things also, which you can attend. Yes, ma'am, it was in Columbia Convent. Then there is a Mukta Vidya Vani. There is a CBSE podcast for Shiksha Vani. You will find this on CBSE and NCERT websites. There is so much to learn. There is Homi Baba about science project, the small science project which we take up. They are doing the small science project in class 1 and 2. I do it in class KG1 and KG2. And children are so happy to do all those experiments with us, collecting pebbles and leaves and sticks and making a natural hanging. They learn a lot when I do these practical things with them. So try searching on your own platform, on Indian platform, what are the resources which can be made available. Okay, the last thing is, please work for your own self. If Anushri, if Sunita, if Vijayalakshmi, if Chavi, if Leena, if Geeta, if Champa are happy individuals, are satisfied individuals, are not frustrated and positive, are able to cope up with their own life, are meditating, are exercising, are in love with themselves, then the teacher do wonders. So teachers, if you have never worked on your own growth, on your own physique, on your own health, if you have never fallen in love for your own self, start falling for your own self. So if you take care of yourself, you are the only person who can love yourself. So you'll be able to spread love, and children will be able to feel love when you're sitting at your home and they are sitting at their. You can do all the miracles with children. They love you a lot. You just need to love yourself and then spread it. So meditate, do yoga, take self-care, do breathing exercises, eat well. Ye sab cheezein other than the reading and progressing. I feel you can do a number of progress, but do these 5 things also at home. Take care of yourself. Then you are going to be the best teacher. Yes, Vijayalakshmi ji, anything? You have raised hand. I submit my seminar here. Thank you so much for calling me. And I would be so happy to have more trainings and more associations with you all teachers. So, ma'am, I'm done. There is so much to talk about. I can get
yes. Teachers, few questions.
Yes,
just 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Any questions? Welcome, Payal. Thank you so much for hearing me patiently.
Champa madam?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, during your session, I just remember one thing. When you said about the doll and all, I remember my mother is no more now. What
Oh,
she
I'm
used
sorry.
to do is, in our absence, she used to talk with our teddies. So not only the children.
Yes.
My
I can
mother also
understand
used
this.
to talk to the teddies and all and share whatever when we are not there with her.
Yes,
So she used
yes.
to talk with the teddies and all.
Yes, this is so emotional, Payal. We need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
keep all these things alive. We cannot call them that they have gone astray. They miss you and they do the same with you. Thank you for sharing this soft moment. I'm so happy. We already have established a connection, and that's why you have shared this here. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Welcome,
ma'am.
Leena. Welcome, Krishna. Welcome, Sunita, ma'am. Welcome, Neha, ma'am. Thank you all. Thank you for writing. Thank you in the chat box. Any questions? You have your next session from 11. Shall we end this? Anything else, ma'am?
It was indeed a wonderful and interactive session, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request our managing trustee, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Iyengar, to address the virtual gathering.
टेक्नोलॉजी गरिमा आप
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
मेरे बीच में टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत आ रही है देखो when I was supposed to say bye and my camera is not working. Okay. A big thank you to Garima. Dear teachers, it reminds me Madam Montessori's very popular quotation. The greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say, the children are now working as if I did not exist. So, teachers, you have to really work hard, especially in the formative years of a child. When the child leaves home and joins the teacher, what the child does, the child sees as if the mother is standing. The first thing what the mother does, बुलाती है, प्यार करती है, बिठाती है. So the moment the nursery में एक बच्चा जाता है, the first thing the child expect, that is the love, the belongingness. Garima, I was impressed by the kind of examples you gave. You made all my teachers involved in your
thank you
lecture, in your conversation, and I was just noting down. You said, "Feed the child's potential, and you will transform him into the world." Children must be taught how to think, not what to think. Dear teachers, Garima is a pan-India trainer, a very passionate teacher. And the best part that she is not only a teacher for the primary school world, but she is also handling a project, Nidan. Nidan is a project for the special children. And Garima, I'm really impressed that how do you take out time from your busy schedule and having a special time for these special children? You know, it tells us that every teacher must have empathy and sympathy as one of the main, unique feature in their personality. And we will be calling you quite often. I'm very happy. Within a very short span of time, you said, Madam, any time, any day, as you say. So, Garima, I'm honored that you have kept my words and spared your valuable time. Looking forward to invite you when we will be physically working in our campus. We have got very talented teachers who are with us for the past 30 years. Our kindergarten had many gems to their credit. When I speak to the alumni, they remember their kindergarten more than the secondary. They remember their first, headmistress. So what this shows that somewhere primary education plays a very vital role in one's personality. Thank you very much. I extend my appreciation to the principals, to the HMs, to the teachers, those who have contributed directly, indirectly to make this session fruitful. Thank you, Garima, once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time to conclude the session with vote of thanks, appreciation, and gratitude to all those who have made this morning a grand success. I request Mrs. Aarti Mishra to propose the vote of thanks. Over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. I, Aarti Mishra, Assistant Headmistress of Sikka School, Aranya, am in a profound honor to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Sikka School. I want to express my gratitude to Mrs. Garima Dahima ma'am for such an exciting webinar on early years of teaching and learning in online classes. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your time and sharing your knowledge and wisdom. I want to express thanks to Sikka management for organizing this webinar. I heartfelt thanks to all the SMC members, principals, vice principals, headmistress, assistant headmistress, teachers, and technical staff of all the school for active participants. Once again, thank you all. Over to Champa ma'am.
Now all the participants can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.